the student until now we cannot go to school, and then all material, I think something is lost. But all anybody can is support life, and then anything to support for in our country. But why too late? And then the government of nation, Prabowo maybe the government for the first time, why not disaster national for 15 to give support for in our country? But like the donator of local maybe, it is some food like material, sometimes it is some money for anybody to his children, the kid is sometimes it's not loose. The water I think is for drink and one out some food, and then material is not early to arrive in this place. What I hope the government, don't you think this is easy? The disaster plus flooding at right time, more than the tsunami 2004, and then more here, very, very hot this time. That is plus flooding and in all Aceh, all Sumatra, I think, all people, and then this loss, and many cops in never find in UD at right time. The government don't think this is the people is, I think, disaster is very hard at this time. The second out 2025. Why don't believe? Don't believe, I hope. The government, you think it is the people is lost many for 50 in right time in Aceh nation.